Is your iPad Air 2 stuck in a frustrating cycle of turning on and off repeatedly? This common issue is called a boot loop, where your device displays the Apple logo but never fully reaches the home screen. A boot loop occurs when your iPad continuously restarts, usually displaying the Apple logo, but failing to complete the startup process and reach the home screen. The device gets stuck showing the Apple logo, creating an endless loop of restarts without ever completing the boot process. Boot loops are commonly triggered by three main factors: recent iPadOS updates that may have compatibility issues, low battery or charging problems, and corrupted system files. Software updates are particularly problematic as they can introduce incompatibilities or fail during installation, leaving your iPad in an unstable state. Before attempting any troubleshooting steps, it is absolutely crucial to back up your iPad data. Many repair methods carry a risk of data loss, so having a recent backup ensures your photos, documents, and settings are safe. System file corruption can occur due to interrupted updates, app conflicts, or hardware issues. These corrupted files prevent the normal boot process from completing successfully. Understanding these causes helps identify the right approach to fix your boot loop. In the next section, we will explore practical troubleshooting steps, starting with simple solutions and progressing to more advanced recovery methods. When your iPad Air 2 is stuck in a boot loop, the first troubleshooting step is to perform a force restart. The method depends on whether your iPad has a home button. For iPad Air 2 models with a home button, press and hold both the sleep-wake button and the home button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. For newer iPads without a home button, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. If the boot loop occurs during charging or with a low battery, try this specific charging sequence to resolve the issue. First, plug the iPad into a power outlet. When the Apple logo appears, unplug the charger. When the home screen appears briefly, quickly plug the charger back in. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, connect your iPad to a computer and use iTunes or Finder to check for updates or restore in recovery mode. Connect your iPad to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Select your iPad and click Check for Update to install the latest iPadOS version, which may resolve the boot loop. If updating doesn't work, try recovery mode. For iPads with home button, press and hold both home and power buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Then choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all data, so make sure you have a backup first. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Reset, then choose Erase All Content and Settings. This will restore your iPad to factory conditions. If software solutions don't work, the issue might be hardware related. Battery degradation is common in older iPad Air 2 models and may require professional replacement. If your iPad Air 2 is several years old and these software solutions don't work, the battery may be severely degraded. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center for professional battery replacement.